rally.
Any external we have for Bell?
Shard.
Just blast.
Thank
I'm
you.
moving out of range, getting
Go
ready to taunt and run.
It's over on X. It's over on X.
On chest.
Mirror images.
Swamp, I think you
Don't
can take
leave
it
the
next.
crystal,
Spread out,
boys.
spread out and
Please.
blast. Spread out and blast.
Stay
Spread
on the
out and
crystal.
blast.
Nobody has to be on a crystal though.
Pump, pump, pump.
1 mil.
Go, go, go.
500k.
Let's go!
Come on. No.
Let's go!
Get it, get
100.
it.
Block.
Oh,
31k.
no way.
No, I just popped to fuck.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Remember I said that
Auto attack.
exercise inventive ways to wipe? That is the most inventive wipe we've ever had.
Shards.
Shard. Is he in?
Inferno.
Out to the right. I'm done. Shard.
It's to the right.
It's over on Pissy.
Okay, Linux is going to be taunting in 3, 2, 1. Taunted. Survival instincts up.
Archie Chastity next on green.
Shards.
Healers are switching.
Shard. Jillian.
Bark skins up.
Shard's on me.
Decimation.
Archie has it.
Bell's taunting in 3, 2, 1.
Pissy Molten next on blue.
Shards.
Shard. I'm going in.
Decimation.
Linux
And you will be
taunted.
first on green.
First on green? Okay.
First on green, followed by Funk.
Bell's taunting in 3, 2,
Shards.
1.
Shard. It's way left. Very far to the left.
Take one tick. I can take one tick. Then you get here.
Okay. We got it. We got it. Healers, watch out. You may need to reposition a little. Many shields, followed by Miss Swamp, next on blue. And go in.
Decimation.
Linux taunted.
Shards.
Shard. It's in the back.
Bell's taunting in 3, 2, 1. 3 minutes are up.
Swamp, make sure you're
3
close enough
minutes,
to get
second
next.
pots.
I will be taking next green. Followed by Chastity.
Shards.
Shard. Way
J
right,
next
it's over on
blade
red.
soon.
I'm coming.
Inferno.
Oh, you just
Okay,
gave me
staying on
torment.
Bell.
Someone's gotta take this.
I got it.
I got it.
We all have torment.
I fucked it up.
Okay.
I ran away from you right into the group.
Salvage not
Is
real.
this salvageable?
Yes.
Okay.
Keep going. Molten, move in. We're close to that. Shit, no, I'm again.
I don't have torment, by the way, so let me know if
Okay.
you.
And you are next on the next shard.
Get
wherever
both of them up.
Shards.
You want me to hog?
He's still available.
Yes.
Shards.
Okay, I'm on it. Get out
Get
of the way.
Mitch up, or get Mick up.
Archie, follow Ant.
Get rebuffs
Okay.
on them if we can.
Oh, I can't take it. I'm countdown.
I got it. Funk's got it.
Inferno.
This is me again.
Mini shields get next shard, followed by molten.
Shards.
Shard. It's on green. Remember, if you don't have Torment, to rejoin the group.
Okay, next
I will
blade in
take next
5.
shard. Countdown on Chastity, going.
Decimation.
Linux taunted.
Shards.
Shard. Swamp, can you follow me?
Yep.
Thank you.
She's available if you need.
Bell taunting in 3, 2, 1.
Soon.
Stay alive and blast. Everything you have.
Fuck.
Get her up.
Yeah, I'm not the man.
Does Mo Swamp need a backup or no?
I'm back up. I'm back up if you need. You
He should be fine. He should be fine.
want me to get first next?
He's good. He is.
I'll get first next.
Okay.
Shards.
Remember,
just
do
my
not
bad, I didn't
abandon
use
your
first.
crystals.
Move. Shard. Archie, follow me.
I'm after you? Okay, you.
No, I got torment.
Funk
And
has
got-
it.
I'm after you. I'm after you. I'm after you.
Bring it back to melee.
I'm gonna die here.
3 mil.
Moving.
Pump, pump, pump. Bubble taunts if we can.
We did it.
Yeah.
No, boys and girls.
And
Hell
you
yeah.
guys said you can never trust me with responsibility.
Because he's
still
thinking
don't.
everyone is wrong.
Pissy did really good.
Oh, he did really good.
In charge of when he needs to go in.
Hey,
Well,
I
look at
saved
all
that
this
fight by the
tank
way with
loot.
my blink.
I'm glazing right now.